I'm Climate New York's LG Tech Support Specialist, Jonathan Perry. Have you ever tried to use an AC Smart 5 controller but were locked out because you didn't know or couldn't remember your login credentials? We've got you covered. Today we'll show you how to reset your password in under 1 minute so you can get back to controlling your system. At the main login screen, you will need to tap the corners in a specific order, and then the controller will prompt you to change the password. Do you want to reset the password? Yes. I hope that wasn't too difficult. Download the LG HVAC service app to check error codes, troubleshooting guides, manuals, and more. I'm Climate New York's LG Tech Support Specialist, Jonathan Perry. Please like, subscribe, share, and stay tuned for more videos to come.